Hi, I'm back. Hi angels, hi my loves. I'm so excited because I'm back with a massive Croc giveaway. Yes, you guys, I promised you more giveaways on my channel. And I know recently we did a couple of giveaways and we'll get into talking about some of the past giveaways. But if you like videos like these, giveaway videos, handbag videos, go ahead, click the like button right now, as well as subscribe to the channel. And let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. I want to talk to you guys about the Croc giveaway that I'm going to be doing on my channel. So I have a massive Croc giveaway, and I don't know about you guys, but I do, as a matter of fact. Everybody loves Crocs. You all know Crocs is a brand like Uggs. It's a brand like Born, like Michael Kors. It's a brand like Lacoste. It's a brand that's always been around, and from year to year, every couple of years, we love the brands, and then sometimes they kind of go out of style, and then before you know it, they come back into style. Well, this past summer, Crocs was just all over. Everybody had on a pair of Crocs, young people, old people. And for the fall, I know you're thinking, okay, we're out of summer. Summer is over. Yes, summer is over, but fall is here. And I wanted to go ahead to my local Croc store and pick up a pair of more, you know, the Crocs with the little socks in there so that I could wear them in the fall. So while I was at my Croc store, you guys, my local Croc store, they had a sale on Crocs. And you all know I wasn't going to forget about my girls. I figured since I pick up some for me, I went ahead and picked up some for you guys. So I have 10 pair of Crocs here, and I'm going to be doing a massive Croc giveaway. So I'm so excited about this giveaway on my channel, and part of the fun of Crocs is decorating them with the Jibbitzs. So, you know, I won't be giving away the Jibbitzs. So this pair right here is mine, the pair that I picked up for fall. I wanted to be a little bit more warmer with the socks, and I went ahead and picked you guys up 10 pairs, and these are the pairs that I picked up for you guys, and these are really, really fun pairs. And I just wanted to say that you all know how you style them and how you wear them. You can go ahead and purchase your Jibbitzs from the Croc store or other places that sell them. Famous Footwear sells Crocs. All different types of places sell the Crocs, and you can go ahead and accessorize with the Jibbitzs. So I have this one that's mine, accessorized a little bit with like a Halloween theme, since I know Halloween is coming up. I have a little ghost and a little skeleton here on it, and I thought that was so cute. As well as I was really enjoying when I was at the Crocs store, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a few pictures here and here and here and here of the Crocs that were, you know, kind of embellished at the Crocs store while I was there. I love seeing all the decorations. You know, you could decorate with them with your zodiac sign. You could decorate with them with lipsticks and roses. The men even are loving Crocs, you guys. While I was at the Crocs store, there were so many men in the store. There were women with their husbands, and I thought I was going to easily be able to go into the Crocs store and make my little fall purchase and get out of there. The Crocs store was a zoo. It was it was a madhouse in the Crocs store. People, the line, it wasn't like you could just make a purchase and walk up to the line and pay and get out of there. There was 2 lines that went to the back of the store. There were people in the aisles. There were young people. There were old people. There were teenagers, okay? There was all different people in the Crocs store still enjoying Crocs. Even though we're in October and we're in fall, there were so many people still wearing Crocs while I was at the outlet mall shopping. So I wanted to go ahead and pick up some for you guys since I was there as well, so we can all have fun together. So what I'm going to do, how I'm going to go ahead and do this giveaway is, it's going to be US only. So you have to go ahead and reside in the US for me to mail it to you. And all you have to do is, now I made sure I bought all different sizes, and these are authentic Crocs. So here's my receipt, you guys. This was my receipt after I purchased the pairs for you and I. And these are all authentic from the Crocs Outlet. You can see right here, this is where, you know, I purchased them from the Crocs Outlet right there. And what I'm going to ask you guys to do is, this is going to be so much fun to, you know, go along on this giveaway journey for the Crocs. Basically, I have size 7s, size 8s. So these are size 7s. I have size 7s here. All from the Crocs Outlet. These are so cute. The size 7s. I have a couple of size 8s here also. And I basically got you guys blue and black and I think a green. And then the daisy ones were so cute. You know, you could go ahead and rock them. Either the strap pulled to the front, or you could go ahead and pull the strap to the back and wear them like that. These have a little bit of a thicker heel to them. These are so cute. And the Crocs are unisex, so I have some black ones and blue ones as well. And you know, the black ones are any color if you're a male and you want to join in on the giveaway. And then we have the ones for the ladies. So I have all of these right here. Now this is another pair of mine right here that I want to go ahead and show you guys how I accessorize with the Jibbitzs. Then we have this pair right here. And these right here don't have the little holes in the front for the Jibbitzs and for your charms, for your Croc charms. So they do come, you know, they have the strap that goes towards the back, and you can push that strap to the front like that and wear them. Now this one does have the holes for the Jibbitzs and the charms on the side. So you can go ahead with this pair, but you can go ahead and accessorize on the side right there. And you see, I'm from Illinois, so I just wanted to show you all, you know, being from Illinois, what I would probably do with this pair. Benny the Bull right there, and then the basketball right there. And the basketball is, you know, the three-dimensional charms. I love the three-dimensional charms. Here's a little soccer volleyball that's three-dimensional, meaning that it comes up a little bit higher off the Croc. And then, like I said, I don't have any extra Jibbitzs. I'm going to be ordering some more Jibbitzs and charms off of Amazon. You can get them off Amazon really easily and really affordable. So I don't have any extra of the charms, you know, but the charms are really easy to get. You know, as long as, you know, we go ahead, and I'm going to start you guys off with a fresh new pair of Crocs. And I have size 7, 8, 9, and 10s. And if your size isn't here, just know, you guys, this is a giveaway from the heart. And Christmas time is coming. I'm going to be doing more and more giveaways as we approach Christmas. So if it's not for you, then maybe your daughter or your goddaughter or your niece or your best friend wears a size 8. If you don't wear a size 8, you can go ahead and just get, you know, win the giveaway and give it to your friend. And I just think it'll be really fun to share these and wear these. And so basically now I have these other Jibbitzs right here, and you guys know how they work and how they go, but I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and order some more off of Amazon. But I thought some of these were so cute. I don't know if the camera is going to pick up on the Jibbitzs. They're very small, but I just went ahead and decorated mine with like a little Barbie, as well as a Wonder Woman symbol, a barrette, a hair clip, a rose. There's a little music sign there, and a skateboard, and a dollar sign. So the Crocs are so fun. And how we're going to do the giveaway is, I guess I'll go ahead and start it today. So the first pair that I'm going to give away is this size 7. So we're going to go ahead and do it like a raffle. And all I need you to do now, depending on what your size is, you have to be subscribed to the channel. So to win the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to the channel, and just put Crocs size 7 in the comments down below. Go ahead, leave me a comment about the video and put Crocs size 7 in the comments down below, and then I'll know that you're entered. And in a couple of days, I'll be back and I'll draw the winning ticket and the raffle for the Crocs size 7. In that video, when I come back and draw the winner for the Crocs size 7, just keep watching the channel, and in a couple of days, I'll come back and we'll do a Crocs size 8. And I'll go ahead, and at that time, you know, whenever you want to win the Croc that is in your size, that's when you're going to go ahead and put Crocs size 8 or Crocs size 10 in the comments below. But you have to be watching so that you'll know which Croc I'm raffling off on what video. So for today's video, we're going to start off the giveaway with the Crocs size 7 in the lovely blue color right here. It's such a nice pair of Crocs, and this is one of the ones that has the holes on the side for you to put the charms on the side, the Jibbitzs on the side, or you can go ahead and put the strap forward, and then you'll see the Jibbitzs in the front. So that's the way you do that pair. You know, you could wear it with the strap in the front like that, and then the Jibbitzs will be up here, because sometimes you don't always want to over accessorize with a pair like this that has the charms all over the front. Sometimes you just want just a little bit of a design. So these are a little bit more scaled down and toned down, where you only have charms, you know, at the top here or on the back of the strap, or you could take off all the charms and just wear them without. You know, you can wear them without the charms and without the Jibbitzs, you know, and then that way you'll be a little bit more neutral. You know, you don't have to always put on all the charms. So we have this pair right here that's gonna be in the giveaway. Here, I just dropped one of mine. These pairs right here. Then we have these right here will be in the giveaway as well. So 10 pair of Crocs, you guys, before it's all said and done. I will be giving away 10 pair of Crocs. And also, it's just so much fun, you know, accessorizing with your Crocs. It's kind of like the Pandora charms, how you have fun picking out different Pandora charms for your Pandora bracelet. With the Crocs, it's so much fun just figuring out how you want to go ahead and decorate your Crocs. And like I said, you guys, the Crocs are not just for the kiddos. They're not just for the little kids. While I was at that store, I saw so many older people than me having fun picking out their Crocs. There was middle-aged people, there were younger people there at the store. It was a madhouse, it was a zoo in that store. You all don't know how I had to jump, tuck, dive, and do everything that I had to do to get a hold of these Crocs for this giveaway. So for today, just go ahead, leave me a comment down below, and in your wonderful comment, just remember to put Croc size 7, and you will be entered for the first pair in the first giveaway. And I'll be back in a couple of days in another video. Keep watching so that you know when I go ahead and when I'm ready to give away the size 8 and then the size 9. And then in the comments of that video, you can leave me a comment and leave Croc size 8 or Croc size 9, depending on what size I'm going to do. And eventually we'll get to the Croc size 10. And if they don't fit you, they'll fit a family member. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stay tuned for more handbag videos. Come on aboard. Join the family, as well as go ahead, enter my Crocs giveaway, and I'll see you guys soon in another video.